Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. This is the part 2 of styling with the Tangle Teezer or Detangler Brush, and there you go, and the combo of using the Cantu Define Shine Custard with the Extreme Professional Styling Gel. There you go, there's the custard. I don't know why I love how it looks here, but yeah, raking it in. You want to watch my first video, which is the part 1 of how I styled it. I detail everything on that video, so if you haven't watched it, I suggest you go back and see how I styled my hair, and then you can come and see the results in this video. This is how it looks wet and fully styled. I see a little frizz, but then we go from this and I'll show you the dry results shortly. This is a sneak peek of the dry results. Stay tuned. So I just wanted to show you. I went to clean the brush, okay? You can see it's pretty clean now. Dripping the water. This is all the hair that came out. Like, oh my goodness. Usually I have way more shedding, but this brush, hello. Look at this. That's it. From styling my whole head. Okay, so these are the dry results. I must say, I am, oh my goodness, look at the clumps. Hello curls, the definition is popping. I did see a little frizz, can you see? Just a little, but am I impressed with these results? Hello curls, they are popping. Like, I don't even want to separate this bunch. They look happy, don't they? You want to know how long it took to dry? From when I stopped styling, it was 10:38 a.m. I then had lunch, you know, I let it air dry until 12:30. So almost 2 hours of air drying, just shy of 10 minutes. And then I decided, okay, let me diffuse. I diffused from 12:20, sorry, to 1:30. But this pregnant woman, you know, I get tired, so I took some time just to lay down, diffuse, lay down, diffuse. So, you know, it probably only took 40 minutes, I would say. But I mean, if I'm timing like how long it took me, because I had to rest and have breaks, diffused for about 1 hour and 20 minutes, but not 20 minutes, 10 minutes, sorry. But no, not even. I would say it took me 40-50 minutes to diffuse after I air dried for 2 hours. So it's not that bad actually. Usually air drying obviously takes hours, but diffusing, I should get myself one of those Dyson ones, right? And then we're all sorted. Look at these results. Like, I am shocked. Hello. This is my curly bob. I haven't fluffed out. I haven't put any oil. I am going to put the Happy Naturals argan and avocado oil and try and do it that way. It's just a hair oil to separate my curls, but I will do that. I'm contemplating whether I do today or tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going out for like lunch with my family for our birthday this week. So I'm gonna celebrate on Saturday. You know how it goes. Look at my lovely flowers from my husband. Yes, I just wanted to have them in my video because I love flowers. Okay, let's just try and separate at least this, right? Look at how nice Nice. It is nice. Yes, I just put a little bit of oil because I separated the family. They're still next to each other though. Oh, that curl was popping. Should I have even separated it? Yeah, it's dry. You know what? I think I am actually going to leave it until tomorrow to properly separate these curls. Look, hello. Definition. Let's see how they're all looking. Yeah, this is curl definition. Wow, this brush is so good at detangling, brushing, styling. I mean, okay, look at the shrinkage. I mean, if you aren't used to shrinkage by now and you're a curly girl, I don't know what to say to you. You need to get used to this shrinkage. Like, let me pull one down. I don't even want. Here you go. There's your shrinkage. Oh, look, I'm fluffing already. I mean, look at this. I haven't even done anything, and this is day one, guys. I'm really happy with my results for my birthday week. Okay. The curls are back. I thought because in the winter, you know, I would have to change my routine. I can't just use a gel. My hair just flops. But these two products with the brush, hello. Yep. Okay. I'll stop now, and yeah, I am so happy with these results. Day one, guys. Okay, we shall see day two, etc. Okay, I'm gonna see how pregnant I am today. If I can go back a bit. How far back can I go? Woo! I'll go for a walk and you can see better. I'll see you tomorrow when I've fluffed out and I've taken it right away, okay? This is the walk I decided to go on. Not very far, as you can tell. But the rain stopped and this was the best time to go out because, don't be deceived, it is cold out there. Just me with this leather jacket. I was like, I'm only going to be out here for a few minutes. Remember, I said this is day one, and this is what my curls look like. Now, this is day 5. Day 5, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at these curls. And then I'm going to show you day 6, which is now. Huh. Hello. I didn't even need to refresh my curls at all. There was 6 days of tying my hair up, sleeping on those curls, having them look like this for 6 days. I mean, why wouldn't you try this combo? Why wouldn't you buy the brush? Give me a reason, guys. Give me a reason. So it's clear to say I would definitely pick this combo again and go for it. I'm so happy with my results. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene. Leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it. If not, tell me why. I want to know. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.